Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited because this is a different kind of tech, something actually useful for daily life and even clinical setting. This is the Braun forehead non-contact thermometer. The model number is BNT 410 CN. I got it for around $30 from Taobao, China, and honestly, I had high expectation. Okay, previously I used a contact thermometer from Medisana. It worked well, but the biggest problem is that you have to clean it every single use, especially with multiple patient or kids. It become very inconvenient and slow. So I started looking for a non-contact and also clinically reliable thermometer, and this is what I found. Alright, so let's take a look at the box and see what inside. So as always, the back uh, box from Braun. Okay, it's a Braun convenient non-contact thermometer, DH Smart. Okay, so it's a non-touch and the forehead one, as you can see. Okay, you can see the model number is BNT 410. Okay, let's go deeper. So first you can see there's some instruction of how to use it. It's you between the eyebrow in the forehead. Okay, not in this area. The distance is around 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so all written in China, and it's great. They give you the max cell AAA battery. Up. Here you go, another manual. Let's see if there is in English. Okay, here you is in English and also China. So it feels good to have a manual in English. That's all. And here is the thermometer itself. Okay, here you have the cap. Okay, so in the box you got the thermometer itself, the user manual, all the paper stuff, and one pair of AAA battery. Okay, so let's talk about the design. It's fairly compact. Okay, the size is 163 millimeter, 50 millimeter, and 59 millimeter in thickness. Okay, it's lightweight, only around 100 gram. Here you side by side with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. It's smaller than your smartphone. Okay, and it's feel very premium, exactly what you expect from Braun. Okay, and you can measure the temperature in just seconds without touching the skin. It's perfect for kids, sleeping patient, and busy clinical environment. So, and it's non-contact, so there is no need to clean every use. Also come with a protective cap, as you can see, and it has a night mode. So the display is backlight, and there is also, you can see, the silent mode. Okay, here is if you want to hear the sound, and this one is a silent mode, so it's perfect for checking temperature without waking your child. Okay, and there is a smart technology. This is very important. It adjusts the fever threshold based on age. It means from 0 to 3 months, from 3 months to 36 months, or 3 years and above 3 years. Okay, so you get more accurate fever interpretation, not just a number. And it helps you position correctly between the eyebrow and maintain the right distance. This improve accuracy and a big advantage over the cheap thermometer. And talking about the accuracy, the range is between 35 to 42 degrees C, and the accuracy is plus or minus 0.2, and for the clinical deviation is around plus and or minus 0.3. So this is clinically reliable, not just a toy device. Okay, and you can use for multiple purposes. I mean, you can measure the temperature of the food, of the liquid, or baby milk. So so far, what I really like is it's super fast. So let's test it. Is it super fast? So let's test it. Okay, let's put in the battery. And here is the on off button. There is 4 buttons. You can see it's illuminated, and you can select the type of order if you measure the people or you measure the liquid. Okay, let's choose myself. Okay, and you put it in the eyebrow, and there is okay error. I forgot to remove the cap. Okay, here is the sound if you put in silent. Okay, so with a proper distance it will measure. Okay, and there is no cleaning needed, and it's very convenient for daily use. The only thing that you must use it correctly with a proper distance for the best accuracy. So overall, for $30, I think this is a very good investment, especially for a family and healthcare use. If you enjoy this kind of practical tech review, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what you want me to review next. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.